Top 5. Kitchen layout. The arrangement of your kitchen space plays in influencing your workflow, entertainment, and overall integration with the rest of your home. Each layout is tailored to specific needs, and understanding their unique features can significantly enhance the functionality and aesthetic appeal of your kitchen. The one-wall kitchen, initially known as the Pullman kitchen, the one-wall kitchen layout is commonly located in studio or loft spaces due to its exceptional space-saving characteristics. In this design, cabinets and appliances are installed along a single wall. The galley kitchen. The galley kitchen, also referred to as a walk-through kitchen, features two walls opposite each other or two parallel countertops with a walkway between them. The L-shaped kitchen. An L-shaped kitchen addresses the challenge of optimizing corner space and proves to be an intelligent design solution for small to medium-sized kitchens. This versatile layout comprises countertops on two adjacent perpendicular walls, creating an L shape. The horseshoe kitchen. The horseshoe, or U-shape, kitchen layout involves cabinets and appliances along three walls. In contemporary adaptations, this design has transformed from a three-walled setup to an L-shaped kitchen with an island serving as the third wall. The island-centered kitchen. A functional kitchen island may incorporate appliances and cabinetry for storage, while always introducing additional workspace to a kitchen. The presence of an island can transform a one-wall kitchen into a galley style and an L-shaped layout into a horseshoe configuration. In conclusion, the world of kitchen layouts offers diverse options catering to individual preferences and spatial constraints. From the efficiency of a one-wall kitchen to the versatility of a working kitchen island, each layout brings unique charm to your home. Understanding these configurations empowers you to create a customized and efficient culinary haven that complements your living space. With the help of Foyer Neo, you can turn your vision into reality.